Good morning, children. Welcome to the YouTube video class. Welcome to all my children of class 6. Today we will continue with English literature. In our previous video, we have completed half portion of the chapter, that is chapter number 13, No Room for a Leopard. And today we will continue from the next portion. So we have, in our previous video, we have completed up to page number 77, first paragraph, left hand side, first paragraph. We have completed up to there, presence there. And today we will start from the next paragraph. When to give myself courage, I clapped my hands sharply. The leopard sprang away into the thickets. Thickets means forest, making absolutely no sound. I had disturbed the animal in its quest for food. Quest means search. But a little later, I heard the quickening cry of a barking deer as it fled through the forest. The hunt was still on. So, in this stanza, previously we have learned about this chapter, and we got the information from the narrator that the narrator met a leopard, which was a very dangerous animal and which was a fierce animal, leopard. And after seeing the leopard, the narrator gathered courage within himself and clapped his hand, and the leopard sprang away into the as he clapped, the leopard moved into the jungle, in the dense forest, and making absolutely no sound. And he realized, the narrator realized that he had disturbed the leopard when he was in search of his food. He was hunting, but afterwards he heard a sound of a barking deer, and he understood that the deer has been hunted by the leopard. The leopard, like other members of the cat family, is nearing extinction in India, and I was surprised to find one so close to Mussoorie. So I have already told you in my previous video that Ruskin Bond has always written everything related to the hill station. Means his maximum stories, his maximum work is on the hill station of Mussoorie, Himachal, Dehradun, in this type, Shimla. So he was a very prolific writer, and every in his writing we will find some hill station of India. And so he's telling, the narrator is telling that I have heard that leopards are also getting in the verge of extinction, but still, after seeing one leopard in the so close in Mussoorie, so he was very glad. He was very glad as well as surprised. Probably the deforestation that had been taking place in the surrounding hills had driven the deer into this green valley. In this green valley, the deer has come because of the deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. It was some weeks before I saw the leopard again, although I was often made aware of its presence. At times, I felt certain that I was being followed. At times means suddenly he understood that he was being followed by some leopard, some fierce animal, supposed to fierce eyes are following him. And once when I was late getting home, I saw two bright eyes staring means looking at me from a thicket. Thicket means bushes, it's bushy forest. Thicket means bushes, forest, dense jungle. I stood still, my heart banging away against my ribs. Then the eyes danced away, and I realized they were only fireflies. Means he thought, he was very afraid, he was very frightened, he was very surprised after seeing the leopard in that part of Mussoorie, and he was very frightened. As he was afraid, he was thinking that something is following him, some animals might be following him. But afterward he understood that those things are not the bright eyes of leopard, those things are fireflies. In May and June, when the hills were brown and dry, it was always cool and green near the stream. where ferns and long grasses continue to thrive.